In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF file to Webflow. Quick tutorial. By the end, you'll have your PDF uploaded, linked on your page, and ready for visitors to open or download. Start by heading to your Webflow account and opening the project where you want to add the PDF. Jump into the designer so you can work directly on the page layout. If you're working from a template or an existing page, open that page now so you can place your link or button exactly where you want it. Next, open the Assets panel on the left side of the designer. This is your site's file library and the best place to manage PDFs. If you don't see it right away, look for the panel that holds your images and other files. With the Assets panel open, you'll be ready to bring your PDF into the project. Now upload your PDF. You can click the Upload button inside the Assets panel or simply drag and drop the file from your computer. Give Webflow a moment to process the upload. For best results, use a clear file name with no spaces or special characters, and keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly for your visitors. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the PDF listed in your assets, confirming that it's available to use on your site. With the PDF in place, it's time to link to it on the page. Select the text link or button where you want people to access the file. Open the link settings for that element, change the link type to File, and choose the PDF you just uploaded from your assets. Update the link text to something clear and descriptive like Download PDF or View Brochure, so users know exactly what to expect. If you prefer the PDF to open in a new tab, toggle that option in the link settings to keep visitors on your page. Finally, when Webflow prompts you, click Add Hosting to enable file hosting for your site. This ensures your PDF is served reliably and accessible to the public. If you're asked to select a plan, choose the one that fits your needs. Once hosting is active, publish your site so the new link goes live. After publishing, visit your page, click the link, and confirm the PDF opens as expected. If you ever need to update the document, replace the file in the Assets panel, publish again, and the link will point to the new version automatically. That's it. Your PDF is uploaded.